You already know what's going on, fam. It's your boy Al, man. And y'all tune back in with them Jennings boys, man. And we back with another video for y'all, man. Make sure y'all go like, comment, share, subscribe to the video. Let's keep running these numbers up, man. As you can see, I got the gang, I got the fam with me today, man. We about to go to the, what's it called? The car show, the Jack's Wax. About to see what's going on up here, pull up, check everything out. We got Pops pulling up with us in the vet, so we about to link with him and, yeah. Show y'all what's going down, man. Come on. Hold on. Before we come on, let's hit it. You know what time it is. Alright, fam, we getting off the highway now for the detour, man. They just canceled. They just canceled the Jack's Wax, as y'all can see. It's sunshine that way. Look this way, it's that grape Kool-Aid. So I guess they done canceled on us and they gonna reschedule, so we're gonna find something to get into still, man. We gotta turn some corners, so we think everybody meeting up at the Polaris. So we about to slide up here to Foot Locker, and then we're gonna shoot up here to the Polaris to see what's going on, man. See what's cracking. Yeah, it's that grape Kool-Aid. What's that he got right there? He got the looking with a GoPro. Beautiful cat. What's going on, brother?
Beautiful cat.
Beautiful cat, man.
Oh yeah, bro. That's what's up.
That's what's up, man.
How long you been up here? Well, since Jack's Wax got canceled, we decided to have to come up here. As long as no one does donuts or burnouts or anything stupid, y'all are more than welcome to chill here, man.
Bad.
As long as no one gets stupid, we're all good.
Okay. It'll stay that way for a minute. Somebody gonna fuck it up.
Well, I got 2 other of my guys here. We're kicking anyone out that does.
Okay.
So.
I feel that.
We're 11-0 and not getting a meat shut down, so we're gonna keep that.
Gotcha. They say when they gonna reschedule the other one yet?
I've heard rumors that's gonna be next weekend, but I don't know. That's what I heard.
Ooh-wee. Let me put the camera in. Bad. Ooh. I'm not used to this camera, bro. Nah. What's up?
Get you on the camera.
What up?
What's up with it? You know what I'm saying? What's up with it, dog?
Gotta get out there. Get the fit. Gotta get cooked.
Fit.
When nigga Larry at? What up? What up?
Yeah, so we run 614 whips
Oh.
on Instagram. You probably heard of it. Yeah, we run I'm one of the co-founders of 614, and that's what we do, man. We just go all around Columbus. We've had several meets here at Roosters, but I mean, it's just a great spot. I mean,
Yeah, because it's just a lot of room,
It
man.
didn't rain up here. All that rain went south.
well, yeah, we were worried for a minute that it was going to be a low turnout, but it's starting to come out quite a bit. So I mean,
They just need to tell more people. When they get more people up here, man, it's going to be big.
yes, sir. Bring everyone up here that you got. Again, just as long as no one gets stupid. No problem.
I'm crazy like that, huh?
You ain't gotta worry about me doing that.
I respect that too, because I hate to slander, but Dodge has a Dodge owners.
Yeah, they got a history of just like burning everything.
As long as hey, but I'll take your word for it. As long as none of that happens, I'll take your word.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, bro, that's what's up. We're all over Columbus. You know, we'll go to Hilliard here. You know, Powell. We're all over the place.
That's what's up. That's good that y'all got like a little, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all probably have the same people pull up at the same, pretty much most of the time. That's what's up though.
We always have someone new show up, and that's what we love having.
He's in there trying to get fresh.
Oh, you got the Lakers jersey on now.
Look, they looking at the kitty like,
Hey, that dude.
Tried to tell y'all pull up at Roosters.
Pull up at Roosters.
Hey, let's see, you feel me?
Let's see, yeah, tell them. Hey, we gotta talk about the Super over here, man.
Come on.
Hey, come on, we used to talk. Tell them.
That Supra's pushing 830 horsepower.
830? Woo! This thing legit, y'all. Ain't gonna hold you.
I'm gonna have a busy next weekend.
I am not gonna hold you. You gotta hear. You can tell, bro. Usually that has a Beamer. And look at the turbo. Z, look at the turbo, Z.
What's up?
I'm a big boy.
I think that's
It's like a big body. Big body, big
this
body.
ain't no regular turbo, bro. That's a big boy.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he got a blow off on that motherfucker. That mug's still clean. Everybody got their own little whips out here. That's what's up, y'all. But we got everybody got the Hall's eyes on us.
Are you in the
Yep.
You in it?
Nope, I'm up.
I ain't into it.
Like I joined it, but like it wasn't like, you know what I'm saying? I just joined it and they accepted me because I told them what car I got.
I think that's how I saw this shit was here.
Oh. See? The kitty. But there's a whole bunch of flavors out here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? You got the Mustang back.
Hey,
Huh?
about to be slow. I tried to tell y'all, bro. I tried to tell him, bro. I told him pull up at Rooster.
He did say it.
Man, he did say it.
He said pull up at Rooster.
Pull at the roof, huh? Pull up at the
Nah, I heard
roof.
they still at Sawmill though. Sawmill. Start at 9.
Start at 9.
Yeah.
I was gonna slide up here too.
Pop say he did?
It was that super talking about.
That mug got something, man. You wanna go check it out again? Let's see. We're gonna get Al's opinion on this super, man. Let's see him put his hood up. Oh, he didn't put his hood down, man. But nah, this thing cranked like 800 and some horses, though. Blonde bitches on. I don't blame him though. I mean, that's his taste. You feel me? That's his love. Nah, no, you see it, man. Go follow that man. Show some man some love, bro. You see his love. This shit. He got a kid on this too. He got a kid on it too.
Body kit.
Look at that, man. That little got a little splitter on the bottom and everything. Air intake and all that. Got the whole shebang over here. But there's a whole bunch of stuff over here. You got the Subaru, you know, Subi gang. Got Infinity over here. Mustang.
I know that other one about to be thick, wasn't it?
Hell yeah, it was gonna be, nigga, thick wasn't even the word, bro. It was gonna be packed.
Cuz and they're trying to get fresh, man. Yeah, they're trying to get fresh.
Through the forces on. Through the forces on.
Get on.
But nah, this a little get together. It's not bad.
Hey, you got the underglow under that GTR. You see it?
You got an underglow?
Underglow under the GTR.
Oh, it's red. I peeped.
The one that you sent me in my book bag? Damn.
How y'all do that, man? How y'all do that,
Both
man?
got relos with no bud. Hey, buddy right here got some bud. White bro rolling up right there.
We should have stopped at the gas station first.
Probably.
What's up, fam? Y'all know what's going on, man.
I already know what time it is, man. I could probably get some B-roll on this camera, though.
What you mean?
Some little dun 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 dun. You know what I'm talking about? The Subi line up. You got the Subi, you got the GTI. Ain't nothing crazy. I think that's an SS over there. Got a little Mustang, but it's a little chill. Nothing crazy.
With the hump.
He done popped the hood on the Kim.
Pop the hood. He got a turbo on that one.
Hey, the police probably be around here for real.
They probably be waiting for somebody to do something dumb around this house.
He over there taking pictures, boy. He getting him together.
I don't know, but he got a lot of wins. He got
What
a
is
lot
that?
of
Is
wins.
that custom over here? Is that a picture?
I think he do got an image. You want to go check it out?
No,
What's that? What's that?
No, that wasn't that Mercedes, bro.
Oh, that was like motherfucking 370.
Wasn't that the nigga that said don't do no burnouts or nothing? What the fuck?
That was him?
Yeah.
He said, but I organize this shit. I can do what I want. He
For
done talked to the
real.
police and everything. Like,
Yeah, chop
they
it
said,
up.
long as we didn't do no burnout.
He probably gonna take this to the prison. You feel me?
I'd have came up here.
Oh God, you know I would have pulled up to the car meet. I was pulling up in Florida.
Man, we was
Come
pulling
on,
up back
bro.
to back, yellow, you know what I'm saying? Mellow, yellow,
Hey,
huh?
if they going to West Broad, it's slash up.
Who?
That's
What's
what
West Broad?
you was talking about with West
They
Broad.
said West Broad?
Nah, you said West Broad.
Yeah,
They sliding over there.
I think so.
You gotta say this for when this die.
It ain't on.
Yeah.
Nah, the slide show tomorrow. South High School.
South High?
Yeah, South High.
They ain't gonna be sliding at the high school
That's
though.
the hoods. Right there on tape.
That's where they gonna get shut down at. You feel me?
In the hood.
That's where they gonna get shut down at. Out here, it's gonna get shut down. Police probably sitting in the bushes right now. Like I'm waiting on somebody to do something.
he said what? Nah. There's a lot of GTIs here though, I'll tell you
I'm
that.
Saudi. I'm Saudi with
Yeah,
that. I can't even lean on that motherfucker.
Is that a thumbnail or is that a just
Look.
pull over the rabbit?
Meow.
Yeah.
What's this nigga man talking about?
My
What
shit.
you talking about, man?
I said, she said, can I see she got the butter? Yeah.
This shit kinda
Yeah, dude.
you said that's 09 at the sawmill?
Man, that's all I saw. You feel me? Cook this. They was probably already up there.
You see her voice, she ain't about to play.
I thought this man was about to get the getting this one.
You see her, she ain't playing, bro.
Oh, that's a girl?
Yeah, that's a girl that was just doing that.
Oh, I was getting it off. So you couldn't get in there.
Real quick, though. As soon as everybody got the looking like, hold
Looking
on.
like, hold on, what you doing?
Let me get my phone up. I'm ready for somebody to get sideways and shit.
Real.
I want somebody to pull up. They see who's what. All right, everybody's stuff nice. It's nice seeing. Let's see.
Ah, yeah, that right there.
Right.
717 or 707? Which one is it?
707. 707.
The 21's got 17.
No, that's at this 20.
It's still beauty though.
Too much money for me.
Yeah, it's expensive.
No, I know. A buddy that bought the 21, he's like, we paid $83,000. I was like,
You gotta buy one new though if you want to get one that ain't been fucked
oh
with.
yeah, his
Fucked with
is
or
that
wrecked or fucking-
Hey, give me a-
plum purple or plum crazy. That's what it's called. I can't imagine having that much horse. So 400 is not to me, you know what I mean?
What's going on, y'all?
We
at it. We here.
Here.
Shitter.
I bet he probably got some work in it. He probably can burn out.
Do it 360. Let me see the fit. Cousin came fish. Feel me?
I ain't even playing for
Got this nigga over here.
I
These
got a
niggas
double
better.
double. Hey, tell him I got a double double.
Lakers. Hey. Kobe.
Kobe.
James.
Bruh.
Who y'all got?
Kobe all day.
Kobe. Who you got?
Kobe though, bro. I like Brian though, but I'm Kobe. Yeah, Brian, you can't fuck with him no more. Yeah, he got your jersey on, talking about he ain't rooting for you. He ain't rooting for none of it. He don't like it. Hey, get a little bit of money, man. Ain't different.
What y'all talking about?
Nigga got on the broad jersey talking about Kobe was favorite.
Kobe is favorite player.
Not that.
Beauty.
This what the other shit was gonna be like. This is gonna be a whole bunch of cars.
Just sitting like this and it is just sitting.
This some hood shit.
What's that down there, y'all? What's that down there, y'all? Y'all see it?
Everybody pull out the hood shit.
This the white
classic, ain't it?
This the
Hey,
white
that classic. It's like, police got here, street shut down, you can't move. They telling motherfuckers you gotta leave, all that.
Damn.
They snatching, hey, they snatching motherfuckers.
How many
all
they do?
that.
How many of they do these a year?
They only do the one for 1 year, one time a year. They RS6.
That's RS3, nigga.
That's RS3.
That RS3 pass is full.
I'm already knowing, bro. Ow, man. Hey, that motherfucker was sweet, wasn't it?
What?
The one we was in. That's the RS3 though. Good said that's the fast one.
Right there in the blue hat.
He got that sub back there. He beating.
Oh, look at that. Swing up. He's looking now, bro. Like you.
You can tell by his pants. You didn't peep his pants.
What's the other spot they said they was going to? Sawmill. That's around. That ain't far from right here. I wonder what's pulling up over there.
Who said that? Who said Sawmill?
Go grab some little bags, man.
Come here, bro. Come with me. You the one that got the cash. You got cash. That was slick.
He's like, I can't.
You got work in that camera. How much you got? Pop the hood. You saw me. Pop the hood.
He probably about to pull out a computer. Pull out a computer and get the typing on that motherfucker. That motherfucker tuned it to a goddamn it. 4-cylinder, 700 and some horse. Supercharger, bitch. Man.
I smell it. I smell midget, boy. That's a midget right there.
That's a midget.
That's midget. That smell like it came out of grandma's house.
I know exactly what you talking about.
Turtle.
Turtle. Bang them out real quick on some of that gangster shit. Nah, for real. Pop the goddamn it. All we gotta do is play some of that shake that booty music. I guarantee y'all this
Shake that booty music. Bro, this nigga think we in the hood, bro. Not in the hood. We're in worse.
But the white people
said,
throw
that.
He don't even understand.
I'm
White
telling
people
you,
more
bro.
turned than it.
He said, turn that youngster on.
It is. It's gonna go.
What up, bro? They got that young boy walk. Record that. They got that young boy walk.
Yo, that top down. Top down. Oh, they go vet. That motherfucker nasty.
Got that young boy walk.
He said he got that young boy.
bullshit over there.
You might as well go ahead and bring it around. Shit, he spinning, boy. He getting kicked out this bitch. That motherfucker nasty though. It's a grand sport. You can tell by the stripes on the side.
Huh?
They probably friends, bro. He probably friends with bro.
I leveled up. I feel important. I leveled up. I feel important.
He's gonna blow more than one.
I blow more than you. Okay, alright, she ready to get that ass tuned up.
Come on, man. Y'all tell.
It's my Kroger score.
Yeah, that's you, dog. That's you, homie. You dropped that. That's you, homie. You dropped that, homie. You dropped that, homie. Would you be getting discounts on the gas, cuz?
Nigga, so listen, gas $5 right now. When I went to the pump earlier, that shit said 4.5.
Yeah, you on to something there, bro.
So, hey, I ain't using my number. I don't know who number I'm using. Somebody getting these fuel points. Shit.
Shit. For real. Who beaming like that? You hearing that? My tripping.
Boy, that's him right here.
Oh.
Element.
Man,
It's
nobody
a real
about to take that
Fifth Element
one.
over there, okay?
They over there jamming, bro.
For real.
She poking like a motherfucker. Cheetah print, bro.
I'm trying to get that hard too, I didn't know you could the windshield too. Yeah.
Pull it up. G's OP's pulled up black on black. I mean, they 3.0. You get the you get the TR 3.0.
I'd rather have that one over
Don't he
there.
look
I
like
would
the
too.
Batmobile a little bit though?
Yeah, he do look like Batmobile. Buddy, he be spinning.
Hey, you ain't seen when he pulled up? He was looking at the nigga.
I don't know why you parked by, bro. I
So
would've.
he wanna park over here next to the cab. I mean the cab.
I believe it.
Right here.
Who you talking about?
He even
said
called
that friend. He friends with them.
Oh, he is. He said to say
Said that
that.
my friend work right
nigga,
here.
he probably called like, tell them niggas to move. I know that's what he did.
For real. Yeah, a little bit of everything though.
Photo album. This album cover.
Album cover.
It's called
You see, it's
cat
called
music.
cat music.
Nigga, cat music.
That's a good time. Cat music.
Cat music.
Cat
Yeah.
music.
They gonna be like, why you said that? Cause nigga, all I do is I drive a hellcat. All my niggas got hellcats.
Oh,
And I
my
make
niggas
all
got
the music for the
hellcats.
niggas that ride hellcats. Feel me?
He said cat music. Cat music.
Get them niggas.
Album cover be like cat music. Cat music.
Cat music.
Cat music. That underglow looks sweet though, cuz. That red underglow.
That's what he said. Because I've never showed my laptop on. I just made. I didn't know you could put the windshield too. Yeah. So good.
Pull it up. G's OP's pulled up black on black. I mean, they 3.0. You get the you get the TR 3.0.
I'd rather have that one over there.
I would too.
Batmobile a little bit though.
Yeah, he do look like Batmobile. Buddy, he be spinning.
Hey, you ain't seen when he pulled up? He was looking at the nigga.
I don't know why you parked by, bro. I
So
would've.
he wanna park over here next to the scat. I mean the cat.
I believe it.
Right here.
Who you talking about?
He
He
even
said
called.
that friend. He friends with them.
Oh, he is. He said to say
Said that
that.
my friend work right
Nigga,
here.
he probably called like, tell them niggas to move. I know that's what he did.
For real. Yeah, a little bit of everything though.
Photo album. This album cover.
Album cover.
It's called
You see, it's
cat
called
music.
cat music.
Nigga, cat music.
That's a good time. Cat music.
Cat music.
Cat
Yeah.
music.
They gonna be like, why you said that? Cause nigga, all I do is I drive a hellcat. All my niggas got hellcats.
Oh,
And I
my
make
niggas
all
got
the music for the
hellcats.
niggas that ride hellcats. Feel me?
He said cat music. Cat music.
Get them niggas.
Album cover be like cat music. Cat music.
Cat music.
Cat music. That underglow looks sweet though, cuz. That red underglow. Right there, that's what off. He just got. Might as well rev it up right quick. He ain't gonna rev it though. That motherfucker nasty. That hatchback nasty. I ain't gonna hold you. Keep going. Over in that inside getting moving. I don't know if that's the inside. I just thought about it. He done pull up moving, huh? He ain't bullshit. There you go. That's why I really want to be looking at him. Dog got missed. He got some work in that motherfucker.
That's super hard as fuck.
He got some work in that bitch for real.
I need to charge this phone. Otto, you gotta, what kind of charger you got in there? What kind of charger you got for your, you ain't got nothing in there?
I got lotion.
I need some of that.
I know there's some lotion, cuz.
Let me get some of that, cuz.
See if you can get some, cuz.
Damn, this rain done fucked everything up.
For real.
That Jack's wax was where it was at, bro.
You gotta open it though, cuz. I ain't gonna
Hopefully they don't
bullshit.
reschedule it for next week.
That's what they did. They already talking about next week.
Damn, we ain't gonna be here.
They sure as
We'll be
hell
at that
ain't
Rick
gonna-
Ross.
Ricky Rose, eh? For real.
I'm going to that no cap tour.
I had no cap. You just. funny because it really is a female in the white truck.
Yeah, bro.
Really doing that shit.
Bro, she letting y'all know who blow out the most black smoke.
Like, bro, it's fucking.
remember
You're
what's
populating the sky.
You
Why are you doing that, bro?
Ozone fucked up.
You're polluting.
You're polluting.
You're polluting.
Catch him. Get him. No, it's fine. He got a turbo on his shit, bro. I can hear the blow-off valve. I can hear the blow-off valve. I can hear it.
The newest shit. New shit.
My nigga used to try to get me to skip school to go to Cincinnati to get Jay. He fucking
He about to go over there. He about to go. He said, y'all revving that motherfucker. Y'all revving that motherfucker. Let me get over there.
Hey, look at my alternator charge. No, bro, you about to smoke their ass up.
He said, what y'all saying, bro? Y'all got me fucked up.
He said, y'all got me fucked up. Let my alternator
Hey, niggas
charge.
pulling up, though.
If I did it myself.
Who was that pulling up all fast?
Genesis. Ain't them Hyundai Genesis?
Yeah. I pulled up deep.
Should I get one of these? I'm like,
Hell no.
Hey, why we out there?
Go that super.
There you go. He back. Hey, polluting the air, man.
They polluting for it.
Dang, that smoke. I ain't gonna lie. That's Governor a hellcat right there if you sell all 3 of them. Real. You motherfuckers expensive.
Man, fuck it.
Especially if it comes.
He said sell all 3 of them. That's a hellcat.
Lucky is saying, man, I'll be like, hey, y'all, I'm about to get dirty. I'm about to turn it up.
I ain't got no practice shit, cuz.
I'll be like, oh, I'm about to turn it up, cuz. I'm about to
Trust me, I done spent it before. I'm like, boy, you got no the fuck you doing. I'm gonna spend any way on your ass. Like, what the fuck?
Get the moving on you, huh?
Yeah, this bitch just spinning any way out of nowhere. Like, what the fuck? I'm sure you have to pull up. You see, it's got the S.
Ah,
There you go, right there.
I'm gonna pull behind him.
Right there. He's pulled behind the trees right there. You about to pull up. Trees over there.
Pops on up, POP, hold it down. We gotta get close to Pops. That's the truth, but that motherfucker got some snap cracking pop. Some snap cracking pop.
I know he got some good. He got the love.
For sure.
He got the love. Pop.
Sure.
Two Beamers and shit. Old Beamers.
He said he got 2 old Beamers.
Hell yeah. He got a 99 and no, he got a 90, a 89. He got 2 89s. Look what that and they suit.
Burnout off?
They trying to.
Sure, might as well.
We might as well go ahead and take some pictures of this one.
That's what I'm saying. Damn, you probably get down there and ask him.
This ain't no good. You gotta get it like out. You gotta do it like out in the.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I said. Then they gotta park all the way over there.
Yeah, fuck it. We're gonna pull out. We're gonna pull over there. We're gonna start it. We're gonna pull the cat on.
Here you go, Pop. POP done pulled up. It's slow. What's going on, Pop?
Then they boys in the house. You know what I'm saying? This big Jennings just pulled up. I rode around the mall twice. Rode around the mall twice, boy.
Going down.
What's up,
I know you didn't,
too, but I think he put that on there. But he debashed it and really put that on there. You feel me? He got it together. That motherfucker nasty though, huh?
Right, huh?
Womp womp. Oh, we can go see that engine now.
Hell yeah, you gotta make sure his exhaust don't fall out.
He said, hey, he got a group. Hey, why they pulled up in the group though? That's some country ass shit right there. That's some shit they'll be in.
That ain't fit, bro. That's what I'm talking about. That Q50. That's what I want.
A Q50?
Over there. You see it? It's black.
Let's say,
Yeah, they was smoking straight. No, but that little bit. You see it, bro?
where I could? I don't see it.
Turn.
Oh, that Q50? Man, I want a Q60. Have you seen the Q60s?
Q70, nigga, ain't no Q60.
Yeah, it is, boy.
Q60 is like the hatchback.
No,
Ugly.
Q60 is the one with the coupe. That you
Oh,
talking?
yeah. 60 is a coupe. My bad.
Yeah, yeah.
60 is a coupe.
That motherfucker nasty. I ain't gonna lie, I crap on him. Yeah, you wanna go check it out? He got some work in there. He got a big ass motherfucking turbo in that motherfucker. What one we just looking at that shit, Z?
Yeah.
Fucking big turbo. He finally whooped that motherfucker back open. Damn, we can go see it. Might as well go ahead and talk. Start talking to people in here. Man, come on, bro. Hatchback, this mother nasty, bro. So I'm saying he got work. This not the BMW engine that's already in it, man. I've been saying that. Look at that big ass turbo, cuz you see it. He got some work in this month.
Big boy turbo.
Work. I ain't even gonna say too much. It's work. He put some time in this month. This man over there drilling.
I wonder if that Q50 is gonna show up.
They over there drilling, y'all. I don't know what's going on. They over there drilling.
Fixing his exhaust. You don't lose no black smoke.
Work it out, Dylan. Work it out.
He said, work it out, Dylan.
Work it out, 'cause we gotta get the fucking load off this motherfucker.
Feel like he don't got no entertainment in that bitch. No sound, no nothing.
He just straight exhaust.
Bro, you ain't see the inside?
I ain't seen it. Probably
Bro,
look
was
ancient.
No buttons, bro. No speakers.
He said no speaker. He deleted he took everything out there for weight reduction.
You would take a 350 from him.
I take a 370, but I won't say no. Huh?
70 the newer one, right?
Yeah, that's the one right there. 370, the one with the red on there. That 350 is the one.
I don't like that body style. I like them.
I wouldn't take one, period, but like I said, I'll take one.
I'll take a Nissan 350.
One by itself.
You can find one for cheap, too.
Hey, y'all need to go like this, though.
That's a 35, G35.
He moving in that 35, ain't he? But he pulling a truck on niggas and getting missing. Hey, he should have been bring He should have bought that big Big they would have been fucking with big huh?
That's supposed to be on.
Hold on. I didn't even know you was chopping the top of that, man. Hold on. It's doing it by itself, Pop. It's doing it by itself. I'll be down. It's from the key, huh? From the key, huh? Pasa, he acting bad, ain't he? What the fuck is this? Shit done turned into a goddamn mechanic. This motherfucker done turned into an auto shop.
This motherfucking diesel shop.
Diesel shop.
House diesel shop and shit.
This motherfucker. How a car meet go to a diesel shop, man?
Shit.
They said burnouts, we kicking y'all out. We kicking y'all out. He can. I was moving, ain't he?
Hey, spin it, bro.
Don't tell her that. Don't tell him that, cause he really would though. He really would though. Don't say that. He really would.
Cock it though. Have it more at an angle. Like father, like son. Only one. like father, like son.
Who will roll? You know roll? The who will roll?
I roll, yeah.
You see it, y'all.
We should have lined it up like slanted.
Yeah, get a little slant look.
That's what it is. You all saying since father, son, shit. You know what I'm saying?
Like
Virginia
father,
boys,
like
goddamn. But I will. But I tell you one thing, Mr. Cameraman, I will bust his ass. Guarantee it, I'll bust his ass. My son, I'll bust his ass. You know what I'm saying? The day gonna come.
He done stepped on all white G-Phase.
Hey, the showdown, the day gonna come. The day gonna come, baby. I've been talking about it, ain't I? Huh? The day gonna come, man. The day gonna come. Well, he gonna have to catch me.
Today is today.
Today is the day, nigga. I already said that.
The day is the day.
I told you he was taking them bars.
I can see out and everything. He's confused. He like, what is going on?
I done stump you real quick.
Why though? Like why are you taking your raised bars off?
That's what I'm saying.
And he can't get on the road.
It's your raised bar. It's there. It's a step bar for a reason, bro.
He gonna be like him.
Yeah, that hellcat crazy.
What he gonna do? Slant it?
We gonna jock they wave a little bit, but we gonna.
Jenny's boys. Huh? What y'all come with that 72 for my birthday?
72.
Hey, you know I got
Wait
into a
for
wreck. My
wrecked
car
your
got
shit?
totaled.
Huh?
I ain't wrecking, somebody hit me. But they gonna pay for everything.
Oh, you good,
Hey,
dude?
I'm about to come scat. Charlie.
Yeah.
Charlie.
Yeah.
Charlie.
Camera though. Going over the camera though.
You don't want none? Nigga, what the fuck are you talking about? Yo. Bro, watch out, man. Hold the fuck up. This nigga said he ain't fresh enough.
Fresh enough for no pictures.
Bro, what?
Hey, he's trying to get a picture. I told him I ain't fresh enough for no pictures right now.
I'm somewhat. Give me something.
Watch out.
He look like he got some bricks.
I got perks.
You got some bricks, boy.
Oh, okay. I thought you said
He the
perks.
brick man right there.
Brick man, sick man.
He did. He put them glasses on. He done changed up.
Hey, I'm gonna get some pics, my son. He done. He done brought the load in. Hey, them clouds sweet though.
Oh, it's about to come
That
down.
dog, look. That dog. You see that, baby?
Watch out. Let me get a picture over there.
Guys look good with your shit.
I put on for my city, on for my city. I put
Back up real quick.
for my city, on for my city. Let's go.
I don't got the privileges. You
got the windows on child lock?
I don't got the privileges.
Oh yeah, he'll hit your ass.
But he on ass though. He following you though, ain't he? Dog on bull.
Yeah, nigga.
I wasn't even nowhere near that nigga.
Saw that?
What?
Was it lightning?
Yeah, that's why I'm like, I'm ready to go turn it in. Nigga.
You scared of lightning, bro?
Hell yeah. I'm not scared of lightning. Let that shit hit you one time, nigga. You ain't gonna be able to tell us about it.
What's the odds of lightning hitting you? Yo? What the fuck?
This nigga is 2022, nigga.
Oh, bro.
Anything bound to happen these days, boy.
That nigga said I'm not scared of lightning.
The fuck?
Oh shit, that shit crack real loud when you outside, nigga. You get to think about that shit like, I need to get my ass inside.
What time is it?
Right now, it's time. This motherfucking sky look crazy.
Would so we can go fuck with that comedy thing, but he ain't that funny. What's going on, man? What's going on?
Ah, this that secret sauce, boy.
Secret sauce, my guy.
Secret sauce, boy. I'll go see in a minute what we got going on. It's that lemon butter, boy.
The lemon butter.
Rotate these motherfuckers up. Some of them pushing way faster than others. Hopefully this car meets tomorrow better than the one today.
Man, bro.
Jack shit got canceled. That little Polaris shit was weak as hell. Big week.
Big week.
Ran this shit.
That shit was more like a meet and greet.
Meet and greet, yeah.
I got confused.
Everybody went that kind of way, like for real. Like everybody had their own type of group. If that made sense, you feel me?
Hey, it was better than nothing though. Hey. It was better than nothing.
Rain came and fucked everything.
A whole lot of wings. Oh, y'all niggas hungry. Damn.
Oh.
High, bro.
Man, come on, man. You already know.
That's all love, man. Let me tell you what's going on. Big wings on the grill. I'm gonna show y'all the sides in a second, man. Y'all see what we got in the garage. Buddy over here, boy. He's funny. Look at him.
Don't know.
We got the Cavs in this motherfucker and the Lakers, man.
Hey, are you
Who gonna win one-on-one?
Oh, man.
Who gonna win one-on-one?
Y'all already know, man.
Who you got your money on, cuz? One-on-one. Lakers.
For sure. Shit, Kobe gonna put that work in.
I ain't talking about Kobe and LeBron. I'm talking about these two niggas sitting in here.
That's who you talking to, though.
I'm
What
talking
you
about
mean? I got
these
that
two.
type of work, though. I'm about that life. You feel me?
When last time you picked the ball up? How long it's been?
It's been some years, but hey, look.
You ain't touched the ball in years?
Man, it's been some years.
About 2 weeks ago.
Hey, look. I still got that work. I'm still about that
Oh,
mess.
no.
Everybody know I still about it,
Hold
though.
on, put my money on.
I'm big about it, you feel me?
And I was talking hella shit about Otto. I'm like, this nigga can't ball. This nigga weak as fuck. This nigga was splashing us. I was mad as fuck. Remember that at the church? He was splashing us. I'm like, bro, you cheating, bro. He had a loaded ball or something.
He looked like he got a wet ball.
lefty, you know. That's the lefty way. You feel me?
That nigga was just throwing that shit up, bro.
It's alright.
It's the lefty way.
Put that lockdown on you. That's all you gotta do is put that lockdown, hand in the face,
And
you
it
know.
finally died down.
For real.
But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, y'all. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, man. Let's keep running these numbers up, man. Don't miss this good content coming from y'all, man. We're gonna tune in for the car show tomorrow. What's the car show tomorrow called? He don't even know. It's sponsored by Toy Barn, some kind of Toy Barn car show. So yeah, we're gonna tune in for y'all tomorrow. He don't know nothing. He be telling us everything, don't be doing nothing, boy.
He be getting it from me. Bro, he get all the shit from me.
I
tell
know.
Hey,
So
man,
I'm gonna skip
I don't be
past
like
him
that.
and just ask you, cuz.